CitriCut Concentrate, I actually refer to it as our general wet wash. It does come in a concentrate form, so it can be diluted down depending on whether you need a debugger, a wet wash, or a degreaser. CitriCut, a citrus-based cleaner for wet washing and degreasing. Recommended for periodic cleaning of exterior surfaces and dilutions determined by the extent, condition, and type of soil to be removed. For a wet wash, dilute 1 to 12 to 1 to 20 with water depending on soil conditions and cleaning frequency. Apply the CitriCut to the surface by spray, mop, foam pad, or application. Agitate to loosen soil, and then rinse with water. Our CitriCut Extra is actually one of my favorite products at Nuvite Chemicals. It is a multi-purpose product, and what I mean by that is depending on its dilution ratio, it can be a general wet wash, it can be a degreaser, and one of my favorites is that it can be a hand wipe down. And what I mean by that, you'll just wipe it down, just like you do when you're cleaning your car. It's perfect for aviation. Depending on soil conditions and cleaning frequency, you can dilute between 1 to 8 and 1 to 12 with water. Apply to aircraft surfaces by spray or manually with mop. Agitate surface to loosen soils. Wipe dry with a clean terry towel or string mop. Allow the sealant to dry. And this is our CitriCut gel. Obviously, being a gel, it's great for vertical and overhead surfaces so that when it does cling to the surface, it will pull that grease down with it. For heavy-duty cleaning of gear, wheel wells, flaps, and cowlings. Use full strength concentrate. Allow to soak 5 to 10 minutes. Do not allow soaked area to completely dry. Rinse with high pressure water. This is our new glaze. This is our extreme gloss and sealant. This is when you're wanting that showroom finish, that extra 10% gloss. You can buff it on, continue buffing until dry. You'll get your gloss out of it. If you buff it on, let it cure for up to 4 to 8 hours, you will have your sealant. When activating New Glaze's polyfluoro sealant, apply New Glaze as is to a clean terry towel, mop head, or random orbital. Agitate small area to a thin layer. Allow wet material to dry or form a white haze on the surface. This may take up to 20 minutes depending on humidity conditions. Final buff with random orbital to shine.